Bubbles playing peekaboo with his auntie. I'll do it this way because I can't be bothered to put the phone that way. There he is. Where's Bubble? Where's he gone? There he is. Where's he gone? There he is. The canary playing peekaboo with his auntie. Hello, Bubble. Where's he gone? There he is. Where's he gone? There he is.
With these box of sweeties there.
I've got boxes of goodies here.
I know you have.
Yeah, Bubbles is playing hide and seek with the boxes. Peekaboo, I see you. There he is. Hello, Frankie. Have you ever known a canary playing peekaboo with his human auntie? Yeah, I've now, guys. There's Snowball down there, jealous bum. Hello, Snowball. Don't worry, Frankie. There you go. Back on you. He wasn't finished playing peekaboo. Hey, Frankie. Hello, Frankie. Frankie's the one on top of the canary. The canary's the one who's playing hide and seek with his auntie. Hello. Hello, auntie's boy. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. He's cute. He is cute. I'm going to go to your sister. Okay? Don't worry, I haven't forgot you. Where's she gone? There she is. Hello, Snowball. Yeah. Yeah. No. Okay. Yes. No. Maybe. No. Yes. No. Okay, just stick your tail further up. I don't mind. Frankie Doodle. Hi, Frankie Doodle. And there's my lovely, way too close. And there's my lovely brother-in-law, my brother. And there's my darling, sweet kid little sister. She's caught the cold off him. My poor sweet kid sister. Back to the birdies then. For a little bit longer. I will get Snowball, but she's too busy eating out of her trough.
No, she's playing with a trough.
Bro, she's playing with her trough.
Stop it. Wait. Now listen.
Hang on, didn't the yellowhead do that as well?
I don't know.
That's the naughty bird sometimes. That one's Snowball. Yep. That one's Frankie. The one is popping in and out.
Doodle dandy. Snowball, no ball. As you call her.
Right, hang on. I'll do this another way. Right. Snowball. Bubble. Frankie.
Doodle dandy.
Hope you enjoyed Frankie playing peekaboo with his auntie.
Frankie.
I mean, Bubble. Well, Frankie's playing peekaboo as well.
Frankie,
He's like
you're
that.
now called Bubble, and Bubble, you're now called Frankie.
Are you playing peekaboo as well? Was you ducking your head and coming up again? Peekaboo. Where you going, Frankie? Oh, where's Frankie gone? There he is. Peekaboo.
He's like, I'm trying to eat, do you mind?
Snowball's playing with that trough again.
Oh, she's awesome indeed.
There we go.